Hello and welcome to Pamir Academy. In today's video, we are going to tell you about some educational tips which will help you to succeed in your education and learning styles. School accomplishments mostly involve great study skills. Students who want to be successful in school or in university need to learn, practice, and develop effective study habits. Many students find that the ways they used to study effectively in high school are different in college studying. To find out how to learn best by asking questions, you have to ask yourself questions. Do I know how to study? Do I have organized plan for my study? And do I have good attitude about studying? By asking questions, you will find out how well you study, or you are just spending time on reading, listening, which is not effective. Effective study habits start with knowing your learning style. Basically, each student have different learning style. Every learner has favorite learning style, and in order to find out that, you need to ask questions yourself. For example, do I remember things better when I see them, when I hear them, or when I experience them? Or the last one, which is actually about experience and engaging with them, with your learning studies, with textbook, or with lecture. By posing these questions, we may generate 3 learning styles for students. First one, via visual, or by seeing things. And the second one, auditory, by hearing things. And the last one, we can call it hands-on, or by doing something or experiencing something. Now let's learn more about these aspects and concentrate on how to build and develop them. By developing these aspects, you need to focus on certain things. Let's now start with visual learner. To improve as visual learner, do the following things. Imagine what it is that you are learning now. Make advantage of color in your note taking. You could use color pens or highlighters. Imagine what your teacher or lecturer is talking about as you listen to them. Create illustration or diagrams for your studying, and learn more effectively with the help of pictures and images. And lastly, learn from videos. Second one, to improve as auditory learner, do the following things. Listen to recording of your assignment, lectures. You could use your phone or your laptop. Discuss with other students what you have learned in class, as well what you are studying. Discuss with your peers and with your classmates or with your friends. Practice in class discussion. Class discussion is also one of the main things that helps you as auditory learner. Research into the topics by listening to audio recordings. It could be from YouTube or from other social media apps or social media accounts. Read out loud the materials. When you are reading the books or reading lectures or textbook or your assignments, read them out loud. And lastly, to improve as hands-on learner, or by experiencing something or by doing something, do the following. Stand up and move around while you are studying, because for some students it helps when they are studying by doing some other activities or moving. Take frequent breaks while you are studying. Breaks also helps you to learn more and to focus more. For example, you could learn 25 minutes straight and then you can have 5-minute breaks. Also, make use of your hands and write things down as you study. This tip could help you by all 3 aspects. When you write, you see it. When you read, you hear it. And when you work with that or experience it, it will help you to understand more. And the last one, by physical activities. Experimenting with object. You can learn something and then you could do experiment on that topic or on that materials. Basically, there's 3 activities or 3 channels of learners. The first one visual learner, the second one auditory learner, and the third one hands-on learner. Hope these tips will help you to improve your learning style and to help you to build study habits. Thank you very much for watching, and wait for the next episode. Wait for the next episode on more about study habits and how to improve your study habits at university or in school.